Welcome to Moza Music. Platform where we build the music to provide breakdown knowledge and get the message behind it. Give positive feedback, we inspire others. Basically, we post non-toxic sound content. Although sometimes I'm a lyrics in our yeah. Bazalwane. Hey, my apologies, man, for not posting yesterday. But we are here. Bengizodlalisa nethi here we are. Marazo ngibamba nge-copyright ukusebenzisa izingoma zabanye abantu. It's not the one. It's not the one. So we are still back. As I'm currently recording this, we are sitting on 527 subscribers. And it's cool. We are getting bigger, getting bolder. We good. So today, like I said, as I also love reacting to churches that I've never heard before. In thing is, and I'm going to go like, yeah. So you're reacting to Unity, Masimbonge, and Uma Sikhohlwa. I don't know what to expect. So without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Already, bro. I don't know where these churches come from. They just pop up out of the woodwork, bro. Like they just pop up. You understand? Already, I'm like, excuse me. Already, I'm like, yo, this is the first part of the back up, bro. Let me look in. Okay, I see you. Look in. Damn. Look at this party. Yo.
abazalwane emabandleni egameni likaJesu. Nathi bazalwane sizoletha ubufakazi balo mshado abafethu abashada kakhulukazi usisi lo obekhona ebandleni leMighty uMakosi. Nathi nje sizophelekezela yena bazalwane sizokwakha ubuhlobo nani ibandla lakaMkhwenyana nebandla leMighty ibandla leUnity. ngoJuni bazalwane, ngoJuni ngomhlaka 27 unyaka ozayo ngizomshadisa ngosisi ibandla leUnity nalo mfowethu nabamokalo. Cela uvele mfowethu ngoJuni unyaka ozayo 27 ngizomshadisa lezingane. Nizwile lalalani-ke. I hope I'll be in a good financial state for this. I'm just saying. That's an announcement. I think I might cut this video and also, just keep posting it some of my videos like that, just to put you guys stars of what's happening. This one?
Canada. Silana ke bafowethu kulesa imali. Kulo makoti nomkhwenyana. Kulo makoti nomkhwenyana.
Cela ukusinda bazalwane basebenze ibandla le-unity. Siyacela kakhulu bazalwane.
Kulo makoti nomkhwenyana. Oza makoti asile nje uzosala. Sopha lokho nathi uNkulunkulu athi asikulethe.
That was me. Nah, that was me, bro. That was me. Oh my god. I don't know them either, bro. When I just get there and I look at the name 5,000, I'm like, yeah, reactor. Unity is unity, bro. Like, bro, unity is unity. So, listen, man. Listen. To my non-indigenous speaking people languages, the song says, when we believe in Jesus, we are not afraid. Just like what the psalm says. No, that famous word, what Psalm 23. Listen, bro. This has to be one of the smoothest first part I've heard this year. And also one of the loudest I've heard this year. From me, unity, bro. Hey, bro, this lady sings like, yeah, sure, like, tomorrow I might not wake up, bro, but I'm here today. That's how she is singing, bro. She is swinging, bro. She comes up throwing jabs like that, bro. The way she said, "Exit over Ukola, Umasi Kola." When she goes up, Ukola, bro, I'm chilling it, and in my head, I'm like, bro, how is that even possible? That's why I keep asking, where do all these Zion churches and Zion people come from? Where do you guys like come from? Where do you guys legit emerge from? Like, explain that to me. Like, where do you guys come from? Like, how and what and why? The bass, yo. In the beginning, bro, the bass kind of scared me, bro. I went in deep, like super deep, bro. Oh.
Guys,
you better not be sleeping.
you better not be sleeping.
Back on the first part.
On
You need
back
to-
on the
What?
first part.
Oh my
What? Oh my God.
Like, what do you mean, bro? Like,
What do you mean?
like, what do you mean, bro? Like, how?
What do you mean?
What do I?
What do I? What?
Ish. Zion, another one.
Zion, another one.
Yeah, you need to talk. I don't know what to say.
You need to talk. I don't know what to say.
Out of words.
Like, I'm out of words.
I'm happy. I'm happy. Because watching
I'm
my
happy.
videos, I'm a
Because
from
watching
this.
my videos,
Realize
I'm
good
a
to the whole
this.
is
Realize good to the whole is
because there's another microphone.
Because there's another microphone.
The whole is very big.
The whole is
Whoever menyango.
Whoever
bega
menyango. Whoever bega menyango.
Umzwelo sis, don't lie.
Umzwelo sis.
Don't lie.
Don't lie.
then if
in
you
the
don't
people
speak
and
any of the
if you don't
South African
speak
indigenous
any
languages,
of the
people are
South
cold.
African indigenous languages,
I'm
people
so
are cold.
sorry. Their song says
I'm so
we are
sorry. The
given
song
power
says
to
we are
defeat.
given power to defeat,
Or we are given the ability
or
to
we are
defeat.
given
It
the
could be anything.
ability to defeat.
It
It
could be
could be
anything
anything.
you think of.
It could be anything you think of.
I wonder whose car they done stole
I
now.
wonder whose car they done stole now.
Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu. Siyabonga.
I don't have a lot to say, bro. All I'm saying is, bro, just because you don't know the church does not mean you shouldn't click on that button. Press it. Just go there and press. Just because I mean, seriously, you will never know what you're missing out on. You understand? If I could tell you churches that became my favorite because they were like out of the woodwork, bro. Like I didn't even know that they existed. All I had to do was just click on that click on that page or on that video and just watch. And guys, let me tell you, there was a lot of things that was happening this past weekend. By Valley, there was some competition happening. There was a wedding at Divine Power. Not Divine Power. Just Divine Power. Yes, Divine Power. And then like good name. And I have to cover all of this. And I will cover them. Videos that are like too long, I think I'm gonna cut them in between and then make a part 1 and a part 2 because angeke guys, angeke sihlale la. Select isikhathi eside kanje. Couldn't be me. Couldn't be me. So yo, in the favorite way of me, Street Jupiter, I'm signing out. Adios.